I don't know why I insist on trying to be any sort of fashionable or cute when coming to do these activities. But doing Lake Duluti today. Yeah, I'm filming. So yeah, doing Lake Duluti today. I'm like, oh my god, I burnt my lip drinking tea. So that's what that is. But look how pretty. Sunset boat ride. Why not, right? Any day. If you're living here, you could just do this kind of stuff any day. Yeah. So this is the main building, and I saw that you could order food from the little restaurant there, and there was a seating area where you could just relax or, prep for your hike if you were going to take the hike. But me and my tour guide, we just took the boat ride. There is a bathroom there, but honestly, I don't know about the condition of it. Once you start to travel around Tanzania, you'll just be surprised every time you see what kind of bathroom is here. It may be a regular toilet, but for most of the activities and excursions, it's usually been a squatting toilet. And of course, it's muddy everywhere. So just don't be surprised. All right, so I believe he's just cleaning out the boat for us. That's what's going on back there. Well, he was cleaning. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm crazy. They're saying it's safe, but I don't know. Kantona. You hear that? Oh. Yeah. Don't move.
Akigeuka lazima ageuke tu kwa sababu haina shida kabisa. Relax.
Nice. You see that growling? I was like, Okay.
Like first of all, the name of the lake
Yes.
is called Duluti. Duluti, it means deepest place.
Ah.
Like Duluti. Duluti is from the Meru tribe. The name is came from the Meru tribe. Like long time ago, people who living surround this lake is a Meru tribe. Like someone come with a stone and threw inside of the water to call Duluti.
Like it's deep.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, like when they measure the deepest of the lake, they start to measure at the top of the hill and down deep. Yeah, they found 700 meters.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That is.
This is a crater lake.
A crater.
There is a hill, and volcano eruption want to happen to Mount Meru. We are close to Mount Meru. And it's make a hill to sink down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And also you see the water is looking green, but it's not green. If you touch it on your hand, it's colorless.
So why is it green?
Because of protection around this forest.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. But if you go in there, can you see?
No, you can see.
You still can't.
Down is mud.
Ah, okay. Okay. What's that?
This is a water pump.
Oh.
Like long time ago, there is a village near here. So people, they just take a water from the lake to the village. They use to washing for cultivation. But when they need to cook, they have to treat first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like boil it only?
Yeah. No, boil or put medicine.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
I never experienced like that. Like come on this lake.
You said, have I ever?
I never.
You never experienced what?
this one. Did you come in? I told you before.
Are you scared?
I know, I'm not scared.
Okay.
I like it. Because I'm relaxed.
Okay.
And I look some environment, the natural things. Sounds good.
Okay.
Baba, kazi umetoa mara mwisho lini? Mara mwisho.
Kama mwezi mzima huu hapa sijafanya kazi.
Najua
You
mama.
see that bird, Kantona? It's like real colorful.
The one?
Yes.
The
Oh,
one is
dang. He flew away.
is there.
Oh, yeah. Is there another one?
Yeah. That one is a malachite kingfisher.
Oh. It's pretty.
Baba, tunaendaje?
If you look at the top of the tree there,
On the nest.
you can see the nest.
Okay. For the
Yeah.
kingfisher.
No, that's the nest for the hammercock.
Okay. A bigger bird, right?
It's not much big.
Oh, they got a big nest.
Yeah. It's the one who building a big nest in Africa.
Really?
Yeah. And they also the nest have like several rooms inside.
Ooh.
Several rooms.
Yeah, several rooms like self-contained.
I see.
That's
No!
for the rivers.
What?
Ngoja kidogo.
All of these are little houses.
You see the yellow ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is called golden pavilion.
So cute.
Yeah. A male used to building more than 7 nests.
I
And
see.
also at evening, he used to sing for the female.
Uh-huh.
And female coming to choose which one is good. And they start to become couple.
For mating.
Yeah.
Mm,
And sometimes the female can ignore. So he used to
I know that's
couple.
right.
Yeah.
Sorry. So they have to sing well?
Mm-hmm.
Ah. I like these. They got cool little houses. Look, there's another one.
Mbona demo kimta?
The best divers, they can dive 10 meters deep to find a fish.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
10 meters.
Mm-hmm.
Unaingia ndani mita 10
Mita 10 anakamata samaki.
tako. Nishatoka.
He don't want to be on camera. Oh, okay.
Alipo.
Is it okay? How are there no mosquitoes at the lake?
Like when you sit at the forest,
Uh-huh.
you can feel the mosquito. But when you just cross,
The water. Huh. Interesting.
Kwa bunduki na mama. Serikali yenyewe ila nini?
Big nest, big house, 10 rooms.
kiasi, yani ni parefu lakini si unakuwa uendi chini, unaogelea tu juu juu.
Kama vikiweza kuogelea.
This water looks like I don't know, liquid metal.
I mean, always, Congress to relax.
Yeah.
But safari is really hard.
Right.
So if you don't mind, like you say, you need to do.
Kuna kima wanakula matunda au mti wa kujua.
So, Akichwa nakiona kichwa.
Sawa sawa kwa kwenye maji.
Sasa unatembea mimi shaonaga mara kibao anatembea kwenye maji.
Ya tulia. Like wazi. Naga labda ni kule mwanzo tulipopandia boti.
Hii ni gogo. Tunahitaji.
Tunapita kwa pembeni.
Okay. You know, y'all have been great so far. Let's keep it up. I'm just playing. Ooh, that's bright. It's close to midnight, and some poor people stuck in the dark. Doo-doo, doo-doo. You know Thriller? Thriller. Under the moonlight. So dark. Thank God. We almost back. Woo. Yes, I'm like help. Help. We still out here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. Hold on. I gotta come this way. Is that rain? Oh my God. It just started to rain. Luckily we got off there. You can't even see the lake. It is so doggone dark. Okay.